Homebrew, the missing package manager for macOS. Package manager, macOS, missing for the what the f. A package manager is a thing, very accurate, that lets you manage, install, update and uninstall software via the terminal. So in this video you'll learn how to install Homebrew, how to install, uninstall and update software using Homebrew, what the best Homebrew packages are, how to use them and how to uninstall Homebrew. This is by the way the third episode of our series about the Mac terminal. And one more thing before we start. If at any point in this video you have no idea what I'm talking about, there are two options. Watch the first two episodes of this series or write your questions in the comments, or both. The link to those videos is in the description. To get started, head to brew.sh and copy this weird line of code. The link is also in the description. After pasting this in your terminal and hitting enter, the Mac will ask for your password. Don't worry, you will see nothing changing when you type in your password. That's normal. After hitting enter, the installation process will continue. Hit enter again and wait. The process will take its time. Now you need to add Homebrew to your path. To do this, just run these commands. So now Homebrew is installed, but how can we use it? To trigger Homebrew, just type in brew. Now you get an overview of all Homebrew commands. In this video we'll use brew install, brew update, brew upgrade, brew uninstall and brew list. Let's start with brew install and thus with the best unknown packages that can be installed via Homebrew. But before we dive deep into the Homebrew package iceberg, let's check if our favorite piece of software, Spotify, is available on Homebrew. To do this, go back to brew.sh and press Command K. In this pop-up, you can search for everything on Homebrew. On this page, you can copy the command to download and install the package you searched for. So let's copy and run this command.
One eternity later.
If everything worked correctly, Spotify is now installed on your machine. But now let's pretend that Spotify has an update available. To get the fresh new feature, just run brew upgrade. This will update all your installed packages. By the way, if Homebrew has an update available, run brew update. If you decide to hate Spotify from now on, you can do that by running brew uninstall Spotify. Now that you know how to use Homebrew, let's move to my favorite unknown packages. First, Mailzy. We all know the problem. You sign up to this cool new piece of software, just realize that it's not a piece of software but a piece of garbage. And now you get tons of mail from this company. Mailzy is built to help you out with this. It creates a random email address for free, which can be easily deleted. To install it, just type brew install Mailzy. When the installation is finished, run the Mailzy command and you should see every command from Mailzy. The actually important commands are mailzyg, mailzm and mailzd. So let's create an email address by typing mailzyg. View all messages, type mailzm. Now all emails that have been sent to this address will be displayed here. To select a mail, use the arrow keys and hit enter. Your mail is now displayed in your browser on a local HTTP server. To delete the email address, use mailzd. Second, cmetrics. That's why we are all here. You know, that thing which allows you to do this. To install it, run brew install cmetrics. After that, run cmetrics and it will happen. Third, SL. In almost every C# tutorial, including in mine, the first command you'll learn is ls. It stands for list and lists all files and folders in a directory. By the way, folders in the terminal are called directories. Anyway, if you're typing too fast and type SL instead of ls, this will happen.
Z shell. Command not found. SL.
But if you install SL with brew install SL, every time you type SL, this will happen. If you like to see everything that you have installed via Homebrew, run brew list. And if you for whatever reason decide that you like to uninstall Homebrew itself alongside all the installed stuff, you can do this by running this command. Okay guys, I hope you install apps now 10 times faster with Homebrew. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure that you will enjoy this one too. Please like, subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next one.